Hey everyone, welcome to another ConferZoom tip and trick video. Today, we're going to discuss how to retrieve your attendance information for your Zoom meetings. It's a pretty straightforward process, and we'll start by going to conferzoom.org. So once we're at conferzoom.org, we're going to click on the Sign In link up in the top right. Use your Hartnell email address and the Zoom password that you set up to sign in. It's not necessarily going to be the same as your pause password because it's not linked to your Hartnell login. But if you don't remember your password, you can always click the Forgot Password link on the login screen to request a password reset email. Once you've signed in, you'll click on Reports in the left navigation menu. Now click on Usage. This allows you to find the correct meeting by adding the appropriate date filter up at the top. Once you set your date, click Search to view your meetings. You should now see all of your Zoom meetings for those dates. To view attendance, we'll need to click on the hyperlinked number of participants in your meeting. If you don't see that participant's number on your screen, scroll to the right, or just get rid of the columns you don't need by clicking on Toggle Columns. That's what I've done here. I just wanted to see my meeting topic, the dates and times, and the participants. Let's click on the blue hyperlinked number of participants. We can immediately see who attended and for how long. You can also click the checkbox next to Show Unique Users. This will limit the duplicates from people who called in, but you still may need to clean up the data a bit. For example, when meeting participants call in, they don't always key in their participant ID. So Zoom may only show a phone number for those participants. So you may need to reach out to your Zoom meeting attendees if you're not sure whose phone number it is. Once you start taking attendance this way, you'll get into the habit during your meetings of asking people to identify themselves if they call in and only a phone number is displayed. To further clean up this data, you can export it into an Excel spreadsheet on your computer and manually edit the file that way. You may also want to export this file to keep a copy for your own records, or if you need to send it to someone else, like your administrative support team. Well, that's all there is to it. To review, we logged into conferzoom.org, clicked on the Reports item in the left navigation menu, clicked on Usage, found our meeting, and clicked on the blue hyperlinked number of participants to view and export our attendance spreadsheet. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to this YouTube channel or go to hartnell.edu/pdc for more information. Thanks for watching.